Here we go! Please stay tuned till the end. I have questions. Please like, share and subscribe. Welcome back to Retro Rebuild. Now the plan today is for everything not to go to plan. So everything's going to plan. Started the day by trying to buy some automotive consumables on a bank holiday, because that's just my style. So first job is to try and get rid of that exhaust blow from the downpipe and the middle section, which involves undoing a lot of stuff that I did last week. Okay. I had a lot of people recommend gun gum to us now, and I can tell you now, like, it tastes awful. Much prefer Wrigley's. Nah, used this plenty of times before. The other tube was about 20-year-old or so. It was a bit skew-if. Right, let's crack on. And yes, I still need to tidy up. Right, a lot of backtracking. I've took the accelerator cable off. I've taken the fuel line off. Going to take it off there. Took off the vacuum advance. Took off the vacuum, the brake servo. Going to take the carb off, undo the exhaust bracket, and then hopefully pull it through and attach it to the manifold better. Right, backtracking. Carb is off the car, so I can try and pull this up and get some sort of better join on the manifold to the downpipe bit. I know I've got the bracket that holds it in, but at least I'll be able to get into it better. So what a load of faff. Took off the carb, jacked the car up first, and then remembered it was a nightmare trying to get that back bolt off the carburetor. Lost one of the carburetor bolts as well down here somewhere. I don't know where the hell it's landed. Where did you go? Doodle-doodle-doodle-doodle. There it is, the beast. It's off. Right, got 4 bolts in the manifold. There's meant to be 6, but one's sheared off, as you know. And I don't know how the hell to get into that one down there. Well, I suppose a better bet would be to take off this bracket and pull the whole thing through and assemble it. Unless you got a really tiny hand, there's no way I'm getting behind there to get a bolt in. Being under the car with an extension bar and everything like that, you just can't get into it. But I don't know how the hell, even if you took this bracket off to do it and pulled it through the engine, I don't know how the hell you'd get into that bolt there either. In there. Oh! Yeah. Another time. Right, let's find this carb bolt. What was that I was saying about things not going to plan? No, I just tried to shut the garage door to go and have a to take care of something, and the garage door won't shut now. The garage door is jammed like that. So let's do some garage door fabrication. Right, garage door fixed. Let's try and find that carburetor bolt. People walking past, looking at us like I'm crazy. I'm not talking to myself, for YouTube. Been looking for over an hour now for the missing bolt. It's a mystery to know where the hell it is. So I rummaged through my box of stuff and I managed to find a match. Let's put the engine back together. Let's put the car back on and stuff. I've just noticed this bolt here. What's that one for? I know these two are for the carburetor. What's this one for here? Right, let's button this back up. Carburetor. Air filter housing. Air filter. Air filter top. Servo vacuum. Accelerator cable. Fuel line. Fuel line tab. Spark plugs back in. 1342. Reese's peanut butter cream egg. Cup of tea. Done. Right, that's the engine all buttoned back up. Let's turn her over and see what the blow's like before we fix the middle section. Middle section. Well, definitely sound better already. Me fan alternator belt loose like. Maybe I didn't tighten that up properly last time. You might have heard that there flapping about there. Into another day. It's pretty nice outside. Let's repair that centre section. There you go, there's a beautiful temporary repair. Bandage, gun gum, liquid metal, all sorts. I need these new exhaust are, like I say, I need to make one. Let's see if it improves it any, but yeah, I'll give it a go. I think custom is the way to go with these. If you're rebuilding a car and you can get off the shelf parts, easy, easy. I kid, of course. There's people who message me on Instagram and Facebook whose projects and skills run circles around mine. Yeah, they watch this channel and they enjoy it. And I know there's a lot of people waiting for us to get another project. And I am saving up. There's money in the pot. I'm getting there for another project. Logistically, I don't know how I'll do it, like renting where I am in the space and stuff like that. But I'll work something out. But the Viva will always be here. And it will take us forever because I'm only doing it in small bits of time. It will be on the road very soon. But there's loads of jobs to do on it, like body work. A few people want to see it washed and cleaned and everything. We'll do that. The vinyl roof has to come off. I need to do some body work very soon. Actually, I'll be doing some body work. No welding here, maybe. I'll be doing a few little cosmetic repairs with the fabricator's nemesis, fiberglass and body filler. But until I can afford to invest more time in it, until I get a new place, this is how it's going to be. Like slowly, like doing stuff to it. Unless the channel blows up, like, I don't mean like, I mean like gets more subscribers and more views. You know, maybe people would like a break from the Antiques Roadshow or Songs of Praise or Taggart. Get in the car, Gene. There's been a murder. Was that on Sunday night? I can't remember. Retro rebuild every Sunday. Right, let's grind off that and drill through it so we can clamp it into the rear trailing arm for the suspension for now. And I bet you any money my drill runs out of charge because I've lost the charger. I am a master at losing things. Doesn't help that it's a mess in here. Like, I've started tidying up, look. I swear, look. You can actually walk through it now. There we go, sitting pretty, well, pretty rusty. We'll take care of that another time. Right, the exhaust thingy probably hasn't set, but let's kick her over and see how she sounds anyway. Not sounding bad at all. A nice burble from the rear silencer there. Not an official one because I've still got lots of loose ends to tie up still. Gearbox oil to put in, diff oil to put in, windscreen wipers, I need a mirror. But should I take it for a cheeky drive? You deserve a cheeky drive, don't you? Go on then, I'll take you for a little drive. Take 2 on the unofficial cheeky test drive. Unofficial. This is where I find out if I forgot to tighten anything up. Come on, old girl. That gearbox definitely needs oil, or it's could have been knackered. I've got another gearbox, but the seal is high in oil all over the place underneath the car. Has anyone ever been pulled over in an MOT exempt car before by the coppers? Like, what does it show up as? I haven't even checked, because I know that the tax shows up as taxed because it's free, but you still got to tax it. What does MOT show up as? Has anyone been pulled over saying no MOT when it's MOT exempt? I need the proper prop bolts in. I don't like how long these ones are in here. And I need to get the heaters working. As you can see, that footage there, it was putting warm air up on the window. But don't worry, I'm not doing any burnouts or like that. Come on, baby! Woo! $30 miles an hour. Oh, you've got to race the gears unless it's something to do with not having much oil in the gearbox. Ticking over lovely. I still need to, well, sort out body work, reverse lights I need to get working, need to get a wing mirror, need to get wipers, need to get the heaters working. And gearbox and diff oil. Need to do the gearbox and diff oil. And sort out that crushed head rocker gasket. Why am I pointing lots? Sorry for pointing at you. And questions. Stop it, man. Right, got a couple of questions. Does anyone know where you can get these like right angle connectors? So I want to make up a proper LT lead again because mine's got one of them pointy down ones. I don't like it. Can you get these right angle ones anywhere? These spades. Also, this was in the boot of the car. What's this? What's this bracket for? Does anyone know? Is it something to do with a different manifold or something like that? I don't know. And what batteries, anyone watching with a 1256 Viva, what car batteries are you running? I'm just running the standard one that was suggested in the Haynes manual, but it wouldn't hurt to find a one with a bit more oomph. So what batteries fit on these? Thank you all very much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Have a great day and I'll see you in the next one.
Behind your frozen eyes, skies ahead and laughter make me feel just one more thing than and even though that I despise the thing you're after, realize you're something more than I